Hello, I am Siddharth Pendharkar from Pendharkar's Coaching Institute. I want to give some information about which board a student should pursue after finishing 10th and while pursuing 11th and 12th sciences. Now, many people give different types of advice. Some say take up CBSE, it is better. Some say take up state boards. Some say take up ISC. So, there are various contradicting advices given by different people. I will share our views, some information about us. We run a coaching institute in Thane near Mumbai. Since 20 years, we are coaching students for physics, chemistry, mathematics and engineering, medicine, pharmacy, entrance exams like JEE, CET, NEET, etc. And whatever experiences we have got and whatever experiences we see students going through, we will just share with you. Frankly speaking, all three boards are at par. All three boards are at par. CBSE, as on today, CBSE, ISC and state boards. In Maharashtra, we have HSC. All are at par. They have the same syllabus content. There are hardly any differences. 11th, 12th is one course. Some chapters are introduced in the 11th and continued in the 12th, or sometimes they are completely in 11th or 12th. There is a slight mismatch in CBSE, ISC and HSC state board about which chapters are in the 11th and which are in the 12th. But for the entrance exam point of view, it does not matter at all. People sometimes say for the JEE or NET, better take CBSE, etc., which is not completely correct advice. You can take any board of your choice. All are at par. Since the last few years, various governments have been trying to work out to weed out and thresh out differences between these boards. Another tip I wanted to tell you. The tip that I wanted to tell you was, first priority you give for self-study. You will get a better score in your entrance exams like JEE Mains, Maharashtra CET or any other entrance exams like NET, Vellore, Manipal, BITS, SRM. Then for that you will need to have great self-study, amazing self-study. Self-study is a category I tell you. Please work on that. Okay. So please choose a college and please choose a board where you will get more time for self-study and where your traveling time to college will be minimum. Secondly, another tip that I can tell you is, if you are in the state board, then kindly download CBSE textbooks in PDF format from the NCERT website. You can also purchase ISC textbooks. It is a worthwhile investment. ISC textbooks are very good for a student to understand the subject. However, they are very thick and a lot of voluminous information is there, lot of data is there. So one day prior to an exam, studying from that, revising is not practicable. But if exam is far away, 3 or 4 months away, then studying from an ISC textbook and getting immersed in the subject and understanding the subject in a wholesome manner is very possible from an ISC textbook. If you are a CBSE or an ISC student, you can also download the Maharashtra State Board HSC textbooks from the HSC website in PDF format. It's free of cost. Last thing that I wanted to tell you. So take out from your mind that it is going to be important about a board. Board is less than 2 to 5% important. Content wise, everything is the same. Content wise, everything is the same in HSC, CBSE or ISC. For more information about us, you can visit pendharkarsinstitute.com. You can check out our free videos on our YouTube channel Siddharth Pendharkar. You can also contact us on WhatsApp number 9223435524 for our online batch information. We run online batches where you can be anywhere in the country. We guide you, we do career counseling, we teach you 11th, 12th PCM, we give you tests, we give you prelims. You could be anywhere in India or abroad and studying from any of these boards. For any other career counseling, any other information, kindly WhatsApp us on +91 9223 435524. So please take it out from your mind that board will make a huge impact on your 11th, 12th or in your 12th board exam or an impact for your JEE, CET or NET performance. No. Board will not make a huge impact. Your self-study will. So please choose a college. Please choose a board which will give you a lot of time for self-study. Beyond a certain point of time, you will have to study on your own and master concepts, whatever you have been taught. One more thing which comes to my mind is that people don't understand this subtle fact. In the 10th standard, please note, in the 10th standard, there is only one board exam. For your 11th admissions, that board exam is the parameter, and in your school, everything is taught as per the board exam in the 10th. If you join any coaching classes or tuitions, again, syllabus of that board exam is taught. Whereas in the 12th science, it's completely different. Board exam is the basic requirement. If you want to take up engineering, then you have to give engineering entrance exams like like JEE, CET, Vellore, BIT, Manipal, SRM, so many are there. In case you want to do medicine, you have to give NEET. In case you want to do pharmacy or law or architecture or hotel management or NDA, everything has some entrance exam and you have to prepare accordingly. Your college may not be teaching you much about multiple choice questions or entrance they may not be coaching you for entrance exams. In fact, there are many colleges which promise that they will teach for the entrance exams, but not even one multiple choice question is solved in 11th and 12th entirely. I have seen that. So please be careful. You have to find time to solve. You have to learn some shortcut techniques for these entrance exams in addition to the 12th. You have to find time. So please bear this in mind, that choose a college and a board in such a manner that you will get more time for self-study and get right guidance. You will do well. You will do well. Many times I see results like 10th 94% and 12th 70%. On the other hand, real life cases we have seen 10th 68% and 12th PCM 93%. Anything is possible. It's a new battle, new game in the 11-12 sciences. Study well. All the best.